Here's another deck that I have that I really love. Kyle Gray. And that one's called the Angels and Ancestors Oracle Cards. Love the art that is in this deck. Beautiful. So just checking in today. Everyone's having a good day. And I'm going to see what's happening today. I really am the worst shuffler. Here we go. We're going to do these three. So we have Air Guardian, shift your perception. Direction Guardian, choose your path. And the Seer, see beyond the current situation. Well, those are interesting cards. So the two, Direction Guardian, choose your path, and Air Guardian, shift your perception. Those were both in reverse. And you know, this one, shifting your perception, and so in reverse doesn't mean it's a bad thing. It just means probably focusing on it a little bit more and changing how I perceive things, or that we perceive things in the world. Maybe putting a little more focus on that, a little more energy and awareness of that, of how we perceive things. Choosing your path, maybe focusing as well a little bit more, because it was in reverse, on what path, you know, we are heading down. We have choices in life, so, you know, we come to crossroads at times and we have to decide which way we want to go. Sometimes it's hard to decide, and sometimes we need to wait before we decide. And just because we've decided which way to go doesn't mean we're going to get to the destination in the way that we think at times. So always sort of staying open. And then this one, which came with it, seeing beyond the current situation. So the Seer, very magical card. I guess opening up and more to your intuition and sitting with that, you know, even if it takes you into nature, or a place where it's very peaceful, and that you would, you know, or a meditation, that you would go there, and things that might pop into your mind or your heart, connecting to that, and hopefully allowing you to see that there is more than one way to move forward, and listening to little signs that are in the universe around you. So those are just the three cards for today, and which is really interesting. They're all very similar on kind of about seeing. It's kind of about your path, And yeah, I really love those cards. So anyway, Kyle Gray has this amazing deck. I really love it. So it's Angels and Ancestors Oracle cards. And with the deck comes a beautiful book. And so I'm just reading these from what I feel right now, but I also do look at the book as well. Anyway, so everybody, I hope you have a good day. I'm looking outside right now and it's kind of cloudy, a little blustery. We have a storm coming in tonight, southeasterly winds. So everybody's hunkering down. We've got a fire going in the fireplace. Anyway, everybody have a really great day, and we will talk to you soon. Take care. Pura vida. There's Kyle over there asleep.